This whole experience, it was actually very exciting. Like, it was also very interesting. I never would have thought that there was so much going into each AC, like how they worked. So it's just very interesting. The people here were very welcoming. They were very much informative. They were like very open to people asking questions. So it's honestly just an amazing experience. It's also a great opportunity for high school students. A lot of people don't know where they're going into, and this is just a career you could kind of jump into, and they provide information about it. So that was very interesting as well.
I think it really kind of showed them what's out there, what's available, what job opportunities there are, and what it actually looks like in a real manufacturing facility.
I feel like brazing is something I would want to go into, just because it's like they kind of like teach you, and they also have like a paid program.
You have brazing, which is connecting joints from copper to aluminum. You have welding. You have leak tests to detect anything, to see if all the products are made in a quality manner.
I really liked seeing the brazing lab, the brazing training facility. I think seeing companies out there that are still training outside of school, I think really kind of opens it up to what else is available out there.
I never thought like construction, going into a program from our school, like would lead us into like a bigger company, I guess. So it's just very like cool to know that school like also can provide opportunities for you to go jump right into a career. So that was also something I'm very glad I'm in this program for.
I love the opportunity Cypress-Fairbanks does to show our students, our CTE students, what is out there in the world.